I have no idea how I didn't think of this over the past 2 years that I've been doing these vertical experiments, the vertical dies. I think people are now calling it gravity dyeing. Anyway, 2 years of doing weird things, standing on their edge, and this never clicked in my head until this morning. 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out until it's just damp. It has been flipped inside out since this is being ice dyed, and there is basically nothing to this. We're going to scrunch up this stuff at the top. I mean, this isn't even measuring or anything. This is, I don't think you could get, I say periodically I don't think you could get simpler, but I've done some pretty simple ones. Alright, we're going to scrunch up roughly halfway, basically to the armpits, a little bit further. Then we're going to leave the rest of this for now. So I'm going to scrunch this up pretty tight. I would think that the tighter that you scrunch this, and if you went in and you sinew to pull it tight, the more aggressive of a waterfall that you can make it. You could have like white water up here if you tied it really tight. Alright, so for this, I'm just going to do like that, and that part's going to be hanging off. I might have to go a little bit further up here. Let me check something. Okay, I'm going to pull just a little bit more into this, simply because of the distance I have to work with and the Alright, go get the rest of it, and we'll make up the box and everything. Be right back. Alrighty, just an easy cardboard box on a cookie cooling rack. Off to dye. For this, cerulean blue, turquoise, brilliant blue, and Robinette's egg blue. Alright, let it sit and melt through. It's been like 36 to 48 hours. Let's go ahead and wash this out. Alright, let's take a look. I'll go throw this in the wash and we'll take a final look. Here's the front and the back. Okay, so I was originally going to call this one Waterfall, because that's what I was shooting for. This doesn't really look like a waterfall as much as like you're looking up at the, like you're underwater and looking up and seeing all the water moving around, or maybe like an ice wall, but with water coming up over the top of you. We'll go with that. Something like that. That's what it looks like, at least to me. Same thing here. Yes, there's white spots. I think that's what it looks like more than an actual waterfall. I don't know where the purple came from. There's some purple in there. I didn't use any purple. So what do you think it looks like? I mean, it's almost like an ice wall, maybe in an ice cave with some water over the top and you're underneath. Anybody else see that? Let me know down below. And I will say I'm already working on a second part of this one that takes this a little further. So that should be the next video. Until next time, thanks for watching.